Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Man, we got a lineup of motors coming for you guys this year. This one here is a 2009 25 horse Yamaha, two-stroke. It's set up for remote. It's a 20-inch, no power tilt and trim. So it's going to run off a control box. Be a nice little pontoon motor or something. Nice clean engine. This one we had to put new plugs. Had to put a new carburetor on the top, a new Yamaha carburetor. New water pump, new gear lube. What else? New water pump impeller. Great running little motor. Like I said, and the model number is a 25 ELR. Like I said, it's a 2009. Compression was 130 on both cylinders. 110, excuse me, on both cylinders. Like I said, look, great little motor. We'll run it up here for you. It does come with a control box and prop. This won't be the control box. It's having some issues with the kill switch, so it'll be a different Yamaha control box. I'm running it all by hand. I'm not going to go through the hassle hooking it up to a control box, so I'm going to run everything by hand. Throttle, pumping good water. She's a little bit of a smoker because it is a two-stroke, and right now we're running fog and oil and everything else in our motors because it is winter time in the great Minnesota. Neutral, reverse, and you may have to adjust your idle a little bit once you get it mounted on your boat. It's a nice little freshwater Minnesota motor. I'm pull the kill on it because the key is not killing it for some reason, so we'll definitely get a different control box with it. We'll definitely make sure everything works with it when you get it. Remember, we do ship all across the United States. It also has the remote start or recoil, just in case your battery goes dead for some reason. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and Merry Christmas.